You can't look at the energy sector as one single entity, because the term energy covers a lot of ground, from the geosciences around exploration and oil drillers to electric utilities that use refined products for power generation. But if you dig in and look at the component parts of the energy sector, you'll find that there are opportunities for just about any kind of investor. Here's a primer so you can better understand what the energy sector is all about. The oil and gas industry divides the process of getting petroleum out of the ground and delivered to the consumer in 3 sections: upstream, midstream, and downstream. Upstream is the place where oil and gas is found, exploration and drilling, or exploration and production in the industry jargon. Downstream is where the industry refines the oil into consumer products like gasoline, diesels, heating oil, asphalt, and consumer petrochemicals. These products are then marketed, distributed, and sold to and through consumer outlets. In addition to this, the residuals, or what's left over as a byproduct of the refining process, has an additional step of blending before being sold as utility fuel for power generation or as bunker fuel for the maritime industry. Midstream is the industry segment where hydrocarbons are gathered, transported, and stored. Within upstream, you can invest in exploration companies to help pay for drilling exploratory wells and recouping short and long-term ROI via your share of the profits from the well or wells you have helped pay for. The downside is the risk associated with prospecting, as a significant number of wells end up not producing anything. It's important to pay attention to an exploration company's history of success within a particular oil field before committing any of your capital to such an operation. Within midstream, you can invest in publicly traded master limited partnerships, or MLPs. MLPs may be attractive to investors because they can offer a meaningful current income component of their return, distributing the majority of their free cash flow on a quarterly basis. Within downstream, there are always fast-growing, innovative startup service companies that support the constant need for refinery and petrochemical plant maintenance, upgrades, and technological advancement. In addition, there are private equity opportunities within growing fuel blending companies, as well as companies that focus on the recycling and repurposing of refined products. Lastly, there are valuable industrial real estate opportunities related to all 3 of these sectors. Although this just scratches the surface, I hope this opens your eyes to many of the different investment opportunities the energy sector has to offer. May all your investments bring you happy returns.